95%, that is how far Fetch.AI has fallen from its all-time high, from $3.45 all the way down to 16 cents. Most people look at that chart and honestly just see a graveyard, but a small group of analysts, whales, and on-chain data are whispering something very different. They're calling this a historic base. A launchpad, a once-in-a-cycle accumulation zone with a 20 times target sitting quietly on the other side. So before you write FET off as just another AI hype casualty, stay with me, because the data about to hit your screen might completely change how you see this trade. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we break down crypto markets with real data, sharp analysis, and just enough humor to keep you from crying when your portfolio bleeds. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell, because the next FET video might come out right when this thing breaks out, and you do not want to miss that notification. Let's get into it. Fetch.AI is not your average AI token. This project merged with SingularityNET and Ocean Protocol to form the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, the ASI ecosystem. That's three of the most technically serious AI blockchain projects combining forces into one unified movement. Think of it like the Avengers assembling, except instead of saving the world from Thanos, they're building autonomous AI agents on a decentralized network. Here's the macro context that makes this even more interesting. Global AI adoption is projected to add $15.7 trillion to the world economy by 2030. Decentralized AI infrastructure, the kind FET is literally built to power, is going to be a massive slice of that pie. The question is not whether AI blockchain projects will matter. The question is whether FET survives long enough to capture that value. And based on the data, the answer is leaning yes. Now here's where it gets uncomfortable, because FET's price chart in early 2026 is not pretty. The token peaked at $0.3133 on January 6, backed by trading volume of over 208 million the day prior. Then within 1 month, it dropped to $0.1378. That is a 56% haircut in 30 days. The AI crypto sector moves fast, and it moves violently. Currently sitting near $0.1661 on the 4-hour chart, FET remains locked in a visible downtrend, and on X, the community is split right down the middle. Half of them are calling it a historic accumulation zone, the other half are calling it a dead coin and moving on with their lives. The bearish crowd has a point. The broader altcoin market is still navigating a tough macro environment. Bitcoin needs to hold steady, and sentiment in AI tokens has been absolutely crushed since the 2024 highs. But here's the tension that makes this setup so compelling. The price is falling, but the fundamentals are climbing. Fetch.AI added more than 20 new superpowers to ASI-1 in 2026 alone. In the last 30 days, the network processed over 521,000 transactions. That divergence, price going down while usage goes up, is the kind of signal that experienced traders sit up straight for. It doesn't guarantee a reversal, but it absolutely demands your attention. Let's get into the technical picture because this is where things get spicy. Analyst Third Eye $1,000 on X dropped a weekly chart analysis that's making rounds in the FET community, and it deserves a close look. The chart shows FET respecting long-term support zones after a multi-year descending channel, a pattern where price compresses lower and lower until the selling pressure exhausts itself. According to this analyst, the bleeding looks done, with current price action consolidating right at the bottom of that channel, around the 14 to 16 cent support zone. The bullish targets laid out are not subtle. First target, 50 cents, the initial breakout level. After that, the roadmap climbs to $1, then $2, and ultimately $3.50, which would represent a full 20 times return from current prices. Now, before you quit your job and go all in, understand that these are technical targets based on historical structure and Elliott Wave analysis, not guarantees. But the structure is real, the channel is real, and the fact that FET has done this exact move before, from multi-year lows to multi-dollar highs, gives the thesis credibility. On the short-term side, a breakout above 18.4 cents is the key trigger to watch. If FET closes above that level with sustained volume, the next short-term target sits around 19.4 cents, with room to push toward 20 cents in a relief rally. Analyst Alexandra Sofia highlighted this exact setup on a 4-hour chart. A descending trendline resistance test that puts FET at a classic break or reject moment. My read? The setup is textbook. Clean structure, identifiable levels, and a narrative strong enough to attract buyers if the broader market cooperates. On-chain whale accumulation signals are starting to emerge, when whales quietly accumulate at the bottom of a 95% drawdown while retail investors are rage selling on social media. That's a dynamic worth paying attention to. Whales don't accumulate because they're bored. They accumulate because they have done the math and they like the risk-reward. The ASI ecosystem is also putting up legitimate development numbers. The ASI Create platform launched in closed alpha on February 10th, giving developers tools to build and scale decentralized AI agents. A partnership with Google Cloud for the Agentic Interop Summit was also announced, integrating Google Gemini for enterprise-grade AI agent deployment. When a 16-cent token is partnering with Google Cloud, something is either a massive scam or a massively undervalued opportunity. The on-chain data and development activity strongly suggest the latter. Here is what the entire picture is saying if you step back and look at it objectively. Fetch.AI is sitting at a 95% drawdown with $40 million in daily volume, 2.5 million ecosystem agents, 35 million mainnet transactions, a Google Cloud partnership, and a technical chart that analysts are calling a historic base. The price is being beaten down by macro sentiment and broader crypto fatigue, not by project failure, and the gap between price and fundamentals is getting wider by the week. That kind of gap historically closes in one direction, and it is not down. The AI sector narrative is not going away. If anything, as real-world AI adoption accelerates through 2026 and beyond, decentralized AI infrastructure projects like FET become more relevant, not less. The question is your time horizon and your risk tolerance. If you are a short-term trader, watch 18.4 cents for the breakout trigger and manage your risk tightly below 14 cents. If you're a longer-term investor, this price zone is exactly the kind of historic low that people look back on and say, that was the entry. I am not saying buy blindly. I am saying do your research, understand the risk, and watch the levels. Confirmation matters more than prediction. Wait for the breakout, not just the hope of one. That is the full FET breakdown for today. If you found this analysis useful, the like button is sitting right there. One click helps the algorithm push this to more people who need to see it. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we cover AI tokens, altcoin setups, and Bitcoin market cycles every single week with the same depth you just watched. Check out my other videos on the channel. There's a full AI crypto sector breakdown that pairs perfectly with everything we just covered. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one. Cryptocurrency investments carry significant financial risk. Nothing in this video constitutes financial advice. FET and all cryptocurrencies are highly volatile assets. Always do your own research, consult a licensed financial advisor, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Past performance does not guarantee future results.